Hello, welcome to my channel Supercar Sunday. I've decided it's time to do another DTR project. So here it is, another DTR 125. Knackered plastics, shagged wiring. It's got a nice exhaust. The big one. That's not original. Forks are seeping slightly. Grenade caps. Doesn't run. More bodged wiring. Lots of electrical tape. Look at that. Who works on these things? Seat's been covered. More snipped wiring. No keys. Bit of bling. Bit more bling. Look at that quality repair. Looks like a bit of Chinese going on here for the switch gear. No clocks, no headlight. Surprise, surprise, no headlight. They're like rocking horse shit. Bonus is, it's got some brand new tyres. Front and rear. Poorly painted rear swinging arm. Plenty of bits missing, as usual. So I'm going to get on when I knack this bike and I'll time lapse it for you. So we'll have another break and a bit more of a look at this bike as we're stripping it. So that doesn't look very good there. You can see that wire's not round there properly. This is all bodged. That pipe doesn't look to even be on there very well. and around this side here. Don't know if you can see there, but that bolt isn't lined up properly. So that's what operates the power valve. Them cables come down there from the power valve servo motor there. And this is supposed to be fastened. So I think that's just a washer there, too big. It wants like a smaller washer putting on. That's a bit of a naughty bodge it's had. You can see just how bad all this wiring is. All these block connectors here. So you can see the rear shock a lot better there now. So that's in terrible condition. I'll see if I can do something with it. At the end of the day, it's not leaking, so it's all working, you know, it's all working properly. It just doesn't look very good. A bit more bling here. Someone's put that on off something. And it looks to have a decent chain on. I think someone's replaced the chain. So these clamps have been painted. Obviously someone's had a go at the frame as well. You can see the reactions there. The fork legs have been done as well. Looks like they've given the two-stroke oil bottle a bit of a paint. Paint on this, paint on this. So as you can see, it's been well moroned. So I'm going to do a bit more and get the engine out. So that's the DT125R stripped down. To follow this project, like and subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.